Hello all, this is Dr. Sakimuthu. We are discussing about broadcasting and streaming techniques. In that, we are discussing about the digital modulation sessions. In this digital modulation today, we will see about mixture. Hello all, let us discuss about mixer in digital modulation techniques. Mixer. So we will see that the mixer is one of the most important electronic components that make up an IQ modulator. A mixer is basically a multiplier. The modulation signal is usually converted into the IF by means of a carrier signal. As a result, two sidebands above the carrier are obtained. This type of modulation is known as double sideband amplitude modulation with the suppressed carrier. The mixer shown in figure 2 is basically a double switch driven by the carrier. It reverses the polarity of the modulation signal at the carrier frequency. In the case of a purely sinusoidal modulation signal, two spectral lines are obtained, one above and one below the carrier frequency, each spaced from the carrier at an offset of the modulation frequency. Moreover, subharmonics at an offset of the carrier frequency are also produced. The second one, that is the subharmonics, have to be suppressed by means of a low pass filter. Look at figure number 3. This figure number 3 is a block diagram of a modern analog double balance mixer. The polarity of the modulation signal is switched by 4 pin diodes, PIN diodes. The carrier signal, LO, that's a carrier signal, local oscillator has been coupled, right? The carrier signal is coupled. The carrier signal is coupled in via an RF transformer, and the modulation product is coupled out via an RF transformer. So there are two transformers, input side and output side. The modulation signal is fed to DC coupled. The mixers are today often implemented in the form of purely digital multipliers, which except for quantization, noise and rounding errors, have an ideal behavior. If a direct voltage is applied as a modulation signal, the carrier itself appeared at the output of the mixer. Superimposing a sinusoidal signal on the DC leads to a normal amplitude modulation with unsuppressed carrier. Look at the figure number 4. In the figure number 4, we have given normal amplitude modulation with the unsuppressed carrier. Look at the frequency domain. You will come to know what is the carriers. Okay, unsuppressed carriers. So this is about the mixer. I will come back to you on amplitude modulator in the next video. Thank you. Bye.